Hello students, let us see the remaining examples of the probability in this part. Okay students, so now here see the example fourth one, that is the two dice are rolled. Write the sample space S and number of sample points n of S. Also write events and number of sample points in the event according to the given conditions. Okay. So first one condition, sum of the digits on upper face is a prime number. Second, sum of the digits on the upper face is multiple of 5. And third one, sum of the digits on the upper face is 25. Fourth one, digit on the upper face of the first die is less than the digit on the second die. Okay, so now let us see how can we solve this example. Okay, so first here we know that the two dice are thrown at the same time. So that means the sample space S is equal to such a way, that is, this is the 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 like this way, 2 1 2 2 2 3 like this way, 3 1 3 2 3 3. Then 4 1 4 2 4 3, 5 1 5 2 5 3, such a way. And the last one, that is a 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. So such a way the sample point n of S is equal to 36. Now see the conditions students here. The conditions, that is the first condition, and for the first condition we name that event, that is the E. So the event E, the sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. Now we want the upper face number on the die, that is the prime number, Okay, but that sum of the digit, okay, sum of the digit. So here see E is equal to 1 1 1 plus 1, okay, and here 1 2 1 4 1 6 2 1 2 3 2 5 3 2 3 4 4 1 4 3 5 2 5 6 6 1 and 6 5. Okay, see here that 1 plus 1 2, that is a prime number. 1 plus 2 prime number. 1 plus 4 prime number. 1 plus 6 prime number. 2 plus 1 prime number. 2 plus 3 5, that is the prime number. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. It is also prime number. 3 plus 2 5, prime number. 3 plus 4 7. It is also prime number. 4 plus 1 5, prime number. Then 4 plus 3 7, prime number. 5 plus 2 7, prime number. 5 plus 6 11, prime number. 6 plus 1 7, prime number. 6 plus 5 11, prime number. So such a way we have the prime number. The sum of the digit on the surface of the two die is equal to the prime number. So such a events are there, such a elements are there in this event. So that sample point, that is n of E, is equal to 15. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So n of E is equal to 15. Second event student, that is event F. The sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 5. So now here the sum will be the multiple of 5. Okay. So now here F is equal to 1 4 3 3 2 4 1 4 6 5 5 6 4. Okay. If you add these numbers, 1 plus 4 5, that is the multiple of 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, multiple of 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. It is also the multiple of 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, so these numbers are their sum is equal to the multiple of the 5. So how many elements are there? So here the sample point is n of f is equal to 7. So now the second one, next one third one event is that the event G, the sum of the digits on the upper face is 25. Upper face is 25. Sum of the digits. So here sum of the digits. So there are no such digits that finding out the sum of the upper face is equal to 25. So here we say the G is equal to 5. G is equal to here 5. Okay. That 5 means the empty set. Okay. So n of G is equal to 0. There are no singleton element. So this is the empty set and that is denoted by 5. Okay. Then the next one event, the event H, the number on upper face of the first type is less than the digit on second type. Okay. So less more number. So here 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Then here 2 3. First number is less than the second number. Okay, first digit is less than the second digit. Then 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 5. Then 4 6 5 6. Okay, such a. So here n of h is equal to 15. Students, thank you for watching our videos. Achieve your success with us. I am sure that you will get 100% success in maths. So watch our videos continuously, regularly. Like our videos, share our videos to your friends.